So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. All right, so the president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Mr. Ricketts, is in sole agreement with the changes to the halftime rule in regards to having entertainment, fanciness, the fancy entertainment, what them do at halftime in the Super Bowl. So that's what they want to bring in. And we're going to discuss it. I'm going to let you guys listen to what the president has to say about it. And I'm going to go in a little bit more details and how the pros and cons of it. And we'll talk about that. So what I want you guys to do, ensure that you go in the comment section. Tell me what you think about it. And also, whilst you're going into the comment section, smash the like button and make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well. And let's go straight into it. People, this one find it funny still. I tell you the truth, I find one funny. So, as you can see, the bald head here, Mr. President, Mr. Ricketts. So, I'm bring it up now. This is what I'm going to say. The president of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, Michael Ricketts, says he would welcome the proposal to increase halftime intervals. Before we finish reading, let me check if the audio is on for this the share as well. So, if I'm sharing, all right. So I think audio is on. All right. So yeah. All right. Let me continue. Welcomes the proposal. Says he would welcome the proposal to increase the halftime intervals from 15 to 25 minutes so that football can introduce Super Bowl style entertainment midway throughout the games. The idea came from CONMEBOL, the South American governing body, who believe it would benefit their competition, such as Copa Libertadores, and the final of which will be played between Palmeiras and Flamengo on Saturday. Ricketts gave the proposal his blessing. Let's hear what Mr. Ricketts has to say.
Football now ought not just to be football. We need to integrate some social component to the sport, and I would welcome.
All right, so I'm stop right there. So, sir, I really do apologize to interject, but he said football ought not to be just football, and we have to introduce some social aspect of it. So when the fans them go to the football stadium and they have a drink and them laugh and then chat with each other and them enjoy the game, that not social enough. That not social enough. Just saying still. Let's hear it.
Such a change. I mean, it would make it more of a family event rather than just come to play football.
Okay, so he said he'd make it just a family event more than rather than just to come and play football. Understand the point there. So you have you bring in two artists from wherever and them come perform and them dance and sit and go on and this and that and all that kind of something to take place. But football in general, before this social event that is being mentioned, was always a family situation. Father and son and family go out and them watch match and make nice and enjoy themselves. Can you imagine after your team will lose four and the man come out? No, you're upset. You're eager to see the next half. See your team come out and put in a performance. Whatever they do now after, it not going to impact you because you're upset. Yeah, if you win, probably you enjoy it. Probably. But maybe you understand what I say.
I am definitely in for it, and they certainly would have my vote on that.
All right, so he said definitely in feet and I have a vote for it. So I'm going to read the rest. Lawmakers International Football Association Board IFAB will meet on Thursday for the annual business meeting, chaired by World Governing Body FIFA. Yeah, man. If you need to investigate same man, Mr. Ricketts as well, and the JFF, find out what kind of foolishness some are going out. Ricketts says his executive will be studying the proposal, so they'll be able to make an educated contribution to the issue. All right, so people, let me tell you where this come from. Let me play the last voice note.
Certainly, we need to give it some thought, just in case they ask for any kind of a comment on it. But my vote, certainly, Alric, would be in support of such an exercise. Right. I certainly would.
All right, so as you can know, people, that is the comments from Mr. Ricketts himself. So he's totally on board with that situation. No, for me personally, I'm not up for it. I'm really not up for it. I think this is coming from the Americanizing of football. And what would I call Americanizing of football? You realize if you're going to increase halftime change, no, you're going to disrupt momentum. You're going to disrupt the flow of the game. There's so much things you're going to disrupt. There's so much things you're going to disrupt. You then now you said 25 minutes or the person might come out, then can they work in an accurate time, that 15 minutes time to do what they want to do. And let me tell you something, people. As someone who play football, what is it that the ball them a do 25 minutes in a half time? Where ball them a go do? Because they don't know say when you're playing football, you need to keep moving. Even after you get the half time break, you get a 15 minutes break, you sit down, by a blink, it blow off. But you keep moving, just keep the blood flowing. 25 minutes, you basically tell the football them say, hey guys, you can go and have a sleep, man. You can go and have a sleep. Because at this point in time, your service is not really needed. So you can go and have a sleep. And then now you tell all your opponent team, your team say the coach should go and review even the entire first half, because that's basically half of the first half or over half of the first half. So they can go review the first half. For me, basically, it don't make no sense. Just it don't make no sense. And then now, where would I get the money from? Where would JFF get the money from? See, we're playing a match in Jamaica. Where would JFF get the money from to provide those type of entertainment if we want to do something like that? Listen, people, this is all about a money making thing, and this was introduced by the billionaires, the American billionaires who run the NFL, and you cannot use NFL as a template to run football. Football is football. We are governed by different ideologies, different understanding. NFL, yes, them do them run up and down and down like, but it's different. It's just different, and we should try our best to stop tinkering with football. Stop tinkering the beautiful game. Stop messing with the beautiful game. It is what it is. What it is. Stop messing with the beautiful game. And me know, Mr. Once a some skullduggeries, Mr. Ricketts always agree to it. Me don't know why. Me don't know. You can't see far from them thing, bro. You can't see far from them thing. Why me don't know. Love is called lovers. Love is called lovers. People, I'm not going any further, people. What I want you guys to do, smash the like button. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well, because I already know 10,000 subscribers me aim for. I am 500 subscribers away from hitting the 10,000 subscribers. 500. It's possible to get that in a month's time, because I want to catch it before the end of the year. I would really be honored if we hit the 10,000 subscriber by the end of the year. Hopefully. Not saying that it will happen, but guess what, people? HBO, help a brother out. Aiming for the sky. If my job on the close them, I'll definitely take it. But people, you've heard it here. I've heard it from Mr. Ricketts. He said it. He said it, people. All right, so smash the like button, people, and also subscribe. Military Guna TV, people. And I am out.